Number 1. The 1931 Chevrolet Chopped Sedan Hot Rod, offered at $25,000 and located in Moncks Corner, South Carolina. This 1931 Chevrolet Sedan Hot Rod is a fully customized, all-steel build that blends classic 1930s styling with modern reliability and performance. Featuring a chopped roof and suicide doors, this car has an aggressive, purposeful stance that immediately sets it apart from more traditional hot rod builds. Adding to its unique character is a full military-inspired theme, giving the car a bold and unmistakable presence. Finished in matte army green, both inside and out, the exterior and interior work together to create a cohesive, rugged look that feels intentional and well executed. The matching interior reinforces the theme while keeping the cabin clean and functional, making this hot rod just as impressive up close as it is from a distance. Under the hood sits a newly rebuilt 350 cubic inch small block Chevrolet V8, with less than 500 miles since completion. The engine is paired with a new turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering smooth power and easy drivability. Power is sent to a strong Ford 9-inch rear end, a proven setup that offers durability and classic hot rod performance. The car rides on a custom-built frame and is equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes, providing confident handling and modern stopping power while remaining fully street legal. The body is described as clean and rust-free, a major advantage for an all-steel vehicle of this era. Additional highlights include a custom fuel cell and 2 sets of rear wheels and tires, allowing the next owner to tailor the look or stance depending on preference. Built as a 2-seater, this Chevrolet sedan hot rod is focused, purposeful, and ideal for cruising, shows, or weekend drives. Overall, this 1931 Chevrolet hot rod represents a turnkey, Chevy build with strong mechanical components, unique styling, and a level of craftsmanship that's becoming increasingly hard to find. Offered at $25,000, it's a standout opportunity for anyone looking for a distinctive, well-built steel hot rod with personality and presence.
Number 2. The 1931 Ford Roadster, offered in Texas. Next up is a classic hot rod with a strong performance focus. A 1931 Ford Roadster built to deliver both timeless looks and serious power. This is a clean, well-sorted roadster that captures the spirit of traditional hot rodding while benefiting from proven modern components. The heart of this build is a 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet, equipped with AFR aluminum cylinder heads. This combination is well known for strong horsepower, excellent airflow, and reliable street performance. It's the kind of setup that delivers crisp throttle response and plenty of pull, making the car exciting to drive without sacrificing dependability. Power is routed through a TH400 automatic transmission, a transmission famous for its strength and durability. Paired with a Ford 9-inch rear end, this drivetrain combination is built to handle power with ease and provide confident acceleration whether cruising or getting into the throttle. The Roadster's lightweight body and classic proportions make it feel quick and responsive, while still maintaining that raw, open-air driving experience that only a vintage Ford Roadster can offer. This is not a show-only car, it's a hot rod meant to be driven, enjoyed, and appreciated on the road. Overall, this 1931 Ford Roadster represents a solid, no-nonsense build with the right components where they matter most. It's ideal for someone looking for a traditional hot rod with real performance and straightforward mechanicals. The asking price is $28,000, and the car is located in Texas. Interested buyers are encouraged to reach out for more information. If you're searching for a classic roadster that combines old-school style with proven V8 power, this 1931 Ford Roadster deserves a spot on your list.
Number 3. The 1932 Chevrolet Hot Rod, priced at $34,000 and located in Martinsburg, West Virginia. This custom-built 1932 Chevrolet Hot Rod is a sleek, modernized classic that successfully blends vintage styling with contemporary performance and comfort. Under the hood is a Corvette-sourced LT1 V8, paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong, reliable power that transforms the driving experience while remaining easy and enjoyable on the street. A Ford 9-inch rear end handles the power with confidence, making this a well-balanced and durable setup. The car shows just 4,000 miles since the build and has been extremely well maintained. It has recently received a refresh that includes all-new front-end bushings, shocks, fuel pump, spark plugs, wires, and distributor, ensuring smooth operation and peace of mind for the next owner. Modern comfort features elevate this hot rod beyond the ordinary, with air conditioning, power windows, and power-operated suicide doors, seamlessly integrated into the classic design. The car presents exceptionally well and is supported by over $70,000 in build receipts, highlighting the level of craftsmanship and investment behind it. With its striking appearance, clean presentation, and modern drivability, this 1932 Chevy is a true attention-getter. Expect compliments, photos, and conversations wherever it goes. For buyers seeking a show-quality hot rod with modern performance, this Chevrolet offers outstanding value at $34,000.
Number 4. The 1928 Graham Page 610 Style Coach, offered at $27,500 Canadian dollars, and located in Wellington County, Ontario, Canada. Next on the list is a truly distinctive pre-war classic that blends rare vintage styling with modern V8 performance. This 1928 Graham Page 610 Style Coach stands apart from more common hot rods and restorations, offering a unique presence that immediately captures attention. Under the hood sits a fresh Chevrolet 383 cubic inch V8, delivering strong torque and modern drivability while maintaining a traditional hot rod character. The engine is paired with a 700R4 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, making this car far more usable at highway speeds compared to many older builds. Gear changes are handled through a B&M racing shifter, adding a purposeful performance feel to the driving experience. The chassis has been updated with a newer frame and recently refreshed suspension, contributing to improved ride quality, stability, and overall confidence behind the wheel. Cooling is handled by a new aluminum 3-core radiator, ensuring the powerful small block stays cool even during longer drives or warm weather cruising. Visually, the Graham Page retains its classic coach body proportions, offering a silhouette that is both elegant and uncommon. The seller notes that the car could benefit from some minor paint touch-ups and wiring cleanup, making this an excellent candidate for an enthusiast who enjoys light finishing work rather than a full restoration project. Beyond the mechanical details, this car carries genuine sentimental value. It was the pride and joy of the seller's father-in-law, and is now being offered for sale on behalf of the family following his passing. That history adds an emotional layer to an already special vehicle, and it's clear this car was owned with passion and care. Overall, this 1928 Graham Page 610 Style Coach represents a rare opportunity to own something truly different, combining pre-war elegance, modern V8 performance, and a meaningful backstory. Offered at $27,500 Canadian dollars in Wellington County, Ontario, it's ideal for serious enthusiasts looking for a distinctive classic that stands out at shows and cruises alike.
Number 5. The 1931 Ford Model A Hot Rod, offered at $27,500 and located in Whiteland, Indiana. This 1931 Ford Model A Hot Rod is an all-steel build featuring quality components and a performance-focused setup. Finished in black and fitted with a classic 1932 Ford grille, it captures the timeless hot rod look while delivering modern power and reliability. Under the hood is a strong 406 cubic inch V8, equipped with Edelbrock RPM heads, Holley carburetors, and Sanderson headers, producing excellent throttle response, strong torque, and a deep, classic V8 exhaust note. Power is delivered through an automatic transmission to a Ford 9-inch rear end, a proven combination known for durability and performance. The chassis setup includes a TCI frame, a 4-link rear suspension, and RideTech coilovers, providing a smooth, controlled ride and confident handling. With approximately 11,000 miles on the build, this Model A is well-sorted, reliable, and ready to be driven and enjoyed. Blending classic styling with quality modern components, this hot rod works equally well as a weekend cruiser or a standout show car. The seller is open to trades for other cars or trucks, with trade offers welcomed via messenger.
Number 6. 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe SBC 350/automatic. Price $30,000. Slightly negotiable. Location: Sussex, New Jersey. This 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe is a classic hot rod with timeless looks and strong street appeal. Finished in black with a red interior, it features a fresh paint job on a fiberglass body, giving it a clean, sharp presentation that turns heads wherever it goes. The iconic 3-window body style is one of the most desirable early Ford coupes, making this car especially attractive to collectors and hot rod enthusiasts. Power comes from a Chevy 350 small block paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, a proven and reliable drivetrain combination known for easy cruising and straightforward maintenance. With approximately 31,000 miles shown, the car runs and drives great and is fully paid off. This is not a project. It's a ready-to-enjoy street rod that offers classic 1930s styling with dependable modern performance. Whether used for cruises, shows, or casual weekend drives, this 1934 delivers strong visual presence, solid drivability, and enduring hot rod appeal at a price that reflects its condition and desirability.
Number 7. The 1930 Ford Coupe Hot Rod, priced at $29,500 and located in Northampton, Pennsylvania. This 1930 Ford Coupe Street Rod is a beautifully finished and well-maintained build that blends classic Model A styling with modern street rod convenience. With only 2 owners since its build, the car has clearly been cared for and preserved in excellent condition, making it an attractive turnkey option for enthusiasts who want to enjoy a classic without taking on a project. Power comes from a Chevrolet drivetrain, a highly popular and reliable combination in the hot rod world. This setup offers strong performance along with excellent parts availability and straightforward maintenance, making the car as practical as it is fun to drive. Modern features have been tastefully integrated, including push-button start, power windows, and remote entry, adding everyday convenience while still preserving the traditional 1930s hot rod aesthetic. The exterior presents clean and professionally finished, and the stance gives the coupe a proper street rod presence that commands attention wherever it goes. As the seller notes, it's an eye-catcher, and that's exactly what this car delivers. Described as show-ready and turnkey, this coupe is ideal for cruising, cars and coffee events, and local shows. The seller reports no known issues, and the car needs nothing beyond a new owner ready to enjoy it. No trades are being considered, and serious inquiries only for anyone seeking a finished, ready-to-drive steel body street rod without the cost, time, and uncertainty of building one from scratch. This 1930 Ford Coupe represents an excellent value at $29,500.
Number 8. 1939 Chevrolet Coupe SBC 350/TH350. Condition. Project with title, price, $8,500 OBO, location, Charleston, West Virginia. This 1939 Chevrolet Coupe represents a strong project opportunity with valuable components and a clear title. Originally built as a show car, this coupe previously won multiple trophies before being involved in a front-end collision on the driver's side. As disclosed by the seller, the frame is buckled, with photos provided, and should be considered the primary repair factor for any prospective buyer. The car is powered by a 350 small block Chevy paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, a dependable and widely supported drivetrain. It also features a 1978 Monte Carlo front suspension, a common and practical upgrade for improved ride quality and parts availability in street rod builds. Despite the damage, the car retains many hard-to-find and desirable parts, making it a solid candidate for a frame repair, chassis swap, or donor build. With its classic 39 Chevy Coupe body style, clear title, and strong mechanical components, this car offers real value for an experienced builder looking to save a vintage coupe or repurpose quality parts into another project. Number 9. The 1941 Willys Coupe, priced at $75,500. This 1941 Willys Coupe is a well-maintained classic hot rod, featuring an outlaw fiberglass body mounted on a fully boxed frame. Power comes from a high-performance Smeating 540 BBC engine, complete with a tunnel ram 2x4 intake and dual 650 CFM carburetors, delivering an impressive 707 horsepower and 720 pound-feet of torque. The drivetrain includes a TH400 transmission with a 3800 stall converter, paired with a Ford 9-inch rear end using a 3.55 gear ratio, ensuring strong and reliable performance. Inside, the interior offers modern comforts such as power windows, leather seats, and an overhead stereo console. The engine is less than 3 years old and includes an unlimited mileage warranty. Overall, the car is in excellent condition, with all documentation included. Please note, the vintage air conditioning system is not functional. This vehicle is offered for sale only, no trades accepted. Number 10. The 1940 Ford Coupe, priced at $34,500. This classic car comes fully equipped for comfort and performance, offering a balanced blend of vintage style and modern convenience. T features power disc and drum brakes, power rack and pinion steering, and a power-adjustable driver's seat. The front suspension uses an independent front suspension setup, or IFS, complete with a front sway bar, while the rear is supported by traditional leaf springs. Additional conveniences include remote entry, 2-speed windshield wipers, and a tilt steering column. For entertainment, a 12-disc CD player is included. Under the hood sits a tuned-port fuel-injected 350 engine, paired with a TH350 transmission and an 8-inch Ford rear axle, delivering dependable power. The body is constructed using P&J fiberglass, mounted on a sturdy aftermarket steel frame. Hot heat and cold air conditioning keep the cabin comfortable in all conditions. This vehicle is ready for sale. Make your offer now. Number 11. The 1939 LaSalle Series 50 Coupe, priced at $34,500. The 1939 LaSalle Series 50 Coupe is a classic automobile featuring distinctive Art Deco design, characterized by a long hood, a vertical grille, and elegantly sculpted fenders. It rides on GM Series 50 chassis, and is powered by a 5.3-liter Cadillac V8 engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. This drivetrain delivers smooth and dependable performance, appropriate for a luxury-oriented classic of its era. Inside, the spacious and refined interior offers comfort and sophisticated instrumentation for the driver, reflecting LaSalle's upscale heritage. With limited production numbers and the LaSalle brand discontinued in 1940, this model is considered rare and highly collectible. This particular example is in excellent condition, showing only 16,522 miles, and is fully ready to drive and enjoy. Number 12. 1932 Ford D's 5-window coupe, all-steel dirt track tribute, price, $35000. Location, Paw Paw, West Virginia. This is a real Henry Ford steel 1932 D's 5-window coupe, built as a period-style dirt track tribute honoring Herb Scott. Finished in gray with a black interior, the car carries authentic race-inspired character rather than over-restored flash, making it especially appealing to traditional hot rod and early racing enthusiasts. Power comes from a flathead V8 paired with a manual transmission. The engine runs and the car has been driven, though the seller notes the block is believed to be cracked, an important consideration for buyers. Out back is a desirable quick-change rear end complemented by Wilwood brakes, giving the car both vintage credibility and functional stopping power. With approximately 20,000 miles, very little rust, and a clean title, this coupe is far from a basket case. It's not perfect, but it's honest and original. Leave it as a raw tribute car, rebuild the flathead, or transform it into a street rod. The foundation is undeniably solid. Trades are limited to a nice 1957 or 1964 Ford Fairlane, reinforcing the car's collector-level positioning. Number 13. This 1998 Ford Mustang Coupe is priced at $800 and located in Lake Charles, Louisiana. For sale is a 1998 Ford Mustang Coupe, offered at just $800 and located in Lake Charles, Louisiana. This iconic American pony car has been driven approximately 100,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking blue exterior paired with a gray interior, it still presents well for its age, with body lines that remain straight and an interior that is in pretty good condition. Overall, the tires have good tread, the glass is clear and free of cracks, and much of the car's original character remains intact. This Mustang was originally powered by a gasoline engine, delivering an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, 26 miles per gallon on the highway, and around 20 miles per gallon combined. However, please note that the car does not currently run and will need an engine, making it a strong candidate for a restoration project, a budget-friendly build, or a custom engine swap, whether you're a Mustang enthusiast, a mechanic looking for a straightforward project, or simply seeking an affordable entry into classic American muscle styling. This 1998 Ford Mustang Coupe offers a solid foundation with plenty of potential at a very attractive price.